Hello, welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you and your family is doing great. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss about how will be the financial year for each moon sign starting from this Diwali till next Diwali 2026. Not only this, I will be going to help you out with the remedies that you should do to overcome the challenges and the obstacles that you may face in your career and the business. If you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So for the Aries moon sign people, this year from this Diwali till next Diwali, you need to be conscious career wise and the finances wise. There will be the possibility of ups and downs in your career and finances. It is advisable, make sure that you are not taking your career and finances for granted. Keep an eye on your expenditure. There is a very high possibility in the mid of 2026, between March till July, there is a high possibility you will be able to purchase a new property, or the construction, there's a possibility of the construction in your already existing house. The health wise, you need to be conscious, because health wise also you may face ups and downs. The major health issues that you may face during this time is eyes related problems, stomach related problem, and digestive issues. To overcome the challenges and to remove the obstacles from your life and to enhance the luck, make sure every Saturday you are donating cooked food to the needy. Along with this, you should chant mantra Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundai Viche. You can chant, you can listen, or meditate on this mantra. This is going to help you out to give you name, fame, success, and overall abundance. Taurus people, this particular year till next 2026 financial year, this is a good time for you. If you're struggling in your life, going through a lot of problem in your life, then this is a good news for you. Gradually and slowly, you will be started getting the solution, and things will started becoming better for you. Overall, finances wise, career wise, you will be going to see the improvement. And whatever the transformation is happening with you, whatever you have suffered in the past year, gradually and slowly now you will observe that things will started becoming better for you and in your favor. Overall, property wise, there is high possibility you will be able to purchase a new property. There is a high possibility of the improvement in the career, change of a job, and this particular change will be positive for you. Overall, this is a positive transformation period for you. You are going to see a growth in your life. Always the transformation happened gradually and slowly, and now the transformation already happening for you. Few things that you need to take care of if you want overall abundance, prosperity, and you want this 2026 to be a great year for you, finances and the health wise. And make sure on the regular basis you're feeding to the cows, and the best thing that you can feed to the cows is a green vegetable and bananas. Anyways, feeding to the cows is very helpful for every one of us, but especially for the Taurus people, you should on the regular basis, if you're feeding to the cows, you can observe that within 3 months time you're going to see a positive transformation in your life. So make sure that on the regular basis you're feeding to the cows, and you should pray to Lord Shiva. You should chant, meditate, or listen Namah Shivaya. You should, and why you should not chant Om Namah Shivaya? Om Namah Shivaya is connected to getting liberation. When you chant Namah Shivaya, this is going to help you out. Only Namah Shivaya. This is going to help you out to fulfill all your manifestation, and all your wishes will come true. So make sure on the regular basis you're chanting Namah Shivaya and make a wish. All your wishes will come true. Gemini, 2026 financial year will be a great year for you. Overall, it is a year of good news, positive transformation, job wise, business wise, career wise, and the finances wise. This is a positive transformation period which will be starting from you, and now you're going to see all the things started becoming positive for you. If you're looking for a job change, there is a very high possibility you will be able to change your job. If you want a growth in your business, or you're looking for expansion of your business, then there is a very high possibility of growth and expansion too. This is a good year to purchase a new property, or there may be the possibility of a construction in your house, or you may get the gains property wise too. Overall, this is a positive time for you. Don't miss this positive time. Take the actions, try to do your work, try to complete all your pending tasks during this year to overall enhance your luck and to invite more name, fame, success, and abundance in your life. Make sure on the regular basis you're chanting Om Sham Shanichuraya Nama, feeding dogs on the regular basis, and offer cooked food to the needy every Saturday. Along with this, if possible, try to pray to Lord Ganesha, offer 5 laddus to Lord Ganesha every Wednesday. This is going to help you to get more success and abundance in your life. Cancer people, after so many of tough past years, now this is a year where you will be going to see financial stability, where you are going to see a positive transformation in your life, and this is the era of end of struggles for you. So overall seems like a very positive year for you, finances wise, health wise, as well as overall career wise too. There will be the more expenses. You need to keep an eye on your expenses, but you will be able to manage your expenses well. This is a time where your loans and debts will be reduced. If your money is stuck somewhere, there is a very high possibility you will be able to get your money back also during this year. Overall seems like a year of financial stability, growth and expansion. To enhance your luck and to get the major benefits this particular year, make sure you're offering water to sun daily. On the regular basis, you're listening, meditating, or chanting Om Adityaya Nama, and you are donating jaggery to the needy every Sunday. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck and to get overall success this particular year 2026. For Leo people, this particular time is a little bit ups and down. You may face challenges career wise, finances wise, as well as business wise. You need to keep an eye on your expenses. Don't take any impulsive decision and try to keep an eye on your spending as well as health wise too. To enhance your luck and to overcome the obstacles and the challenges you may face during this time, make sure on the regular basis you are praying to Lord Shiva, and it is recommended for you to wear the ruby crystal or the ruby gemstone. This will help you to protect from any type of sudden events happening in your career or the business. And on the regular basis, you should pray to Lord Shiva. On the regular basis, you should chant Namah Shivaya daily. Try to meditate, try to chant or listen Namah Shivaya for 108 times daily. This will help you to overcome the challenges and the obstacles and enhance your luck. For the Virgo people, in the starting of the year, you may face ups and downs career wise and the finances wise, but gradually and slowly things will start improving for you and you will be able to manage your finances well. But still, you need to keep an eye on your expenses. More spending has been noticed into any type of education or in the health related problem, or even there is a possibility of an investment too. So if you're investing, if you are looking to invest somewhere, then make sure that you are not taking any impulsive decision and try to do a research on it and then only invest. So for the Virgo people, in the starting there may be the ups and downs you may notice in your career, finances and the business, but at the end, gradually and slowly things will start improving for you. To enhance your luck, career, finances and the business wise, make sure on the regular basis you are chanting Om Sham Shanacharaya Nama. If you can't chant, try to listen, try to meditate on this mantra, and on the regular basis, you should do the donation. Anyways, every one of us should do the donation on the regular basis. This help you a lot. But for the Virgo people, especially if you want to enhance your luck, then on the regular basis, make sure you are donating something. Possible on every Saturday, try to donate cooked food to the needy. This is going to help you out to remove the obstacles and the challenges in the career, and will be in helping you to enhance your luck too. If you are not eating non-veg and you are sattvic, then try to wear the 5 mukhi rudraksha. This also helps for you. This particular year is a good year for you. This is a year of profits for the profit gains and overall career and the business success. There's a very high possibility you may start a new business and that will be a successful business for you. If you are looking for a job change, then there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job also during this time. Overall, finances wise, career wise, this is the expansion and the growth being seen. You need to take care of your health and make sure that you are not taking any impulsive decision. If your money is stuck, then there is a very high possibility you will be able to get your money back. This is a year where you need to try to balance a lot of things. You need to try to balance your career, try to balance your finances, as well as you need to try to balance your personal life too. To enhance your luck and to get the maximum benefit during this year, keep on chanting, keep on praying to Lord Vishnu on the regular basis. You should chant, listen, or meditate on Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. As well as, if possible, then every Thursday, try to donate bananas to the needy. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck and to get overall success in your Scorpio. So this particular financial year, this is a good news for you. Now your struggles are going to get over. Overall, you are going to see the improvement career wise, business wise, finances wise. Things will start becoming better for you, and this will be a period of positive transformation for you. Only you need to take care of few things, that make sure you're not taking an impulsive decision. You are sattvic, you are not saying lie to someone, or you are not cheating on someone. Make sure that you are not doing anything wrong. If you are Sattvic during this particular financial year, you are going to see that you are going to get growth overall, finances wise, business wise, and things will started becoming better for you. It has been noticed since long you are struggling a lot in your life, but now things will started becoming improvement. But make sure that you are not repeating the same mistake and you are becoming a better version of yourself to enhance your luck and to get overall abundance, prosperity, and good success in your life. Make sure that you are Sattvic, you are not cheating on someone, you are not hiding something from someone, and you will try to work more on your aura, more on the purity. So what you need to do is on the regular basis, you are chanting Hanuman Chalisa or you are praying to Lord Shiva. On the regular basis, you should chant Namah Shivaya and make a wish. There is a very high possibility all your wishes will come true this year, but make sure that you are Sattvic and on the regular basis you're feeding to the animals. Sagittarius, this is a good year for you. Now, this is a year where you will be able to get the regular income. So far, you must have noticed this year you have faced a lot of ups and downs in your income and stability of income was missing. But coming year, there will be the continuation in the income and there will be stability finances wise and the career wise as well as the business wise. If you're looking for a job change, there is a high possibility you will be able to change your job successful, but you need to keep an eye on your expenses, the major expenses that may happen because of your child or in any type of education or health related problem too. If you're looking to conceive a child, then there is a very high possibility this particular year you will be able to conceive the child too. To enhance your luck and to overall and to invite more abundance and the prosperity in your life, make sure on the regular basis you are praying to Lord Shani. Keep on chanting Om Sham Shanichwaraya Nama 108 times and try to donate cook food to the needy every Saturday. This is going to help you. Capricorn, now your Shani ki Sarasati has been over and gradually and slowly you will be started seeing improvement in overall your life. So you are going to see the improvement in your career, improvement finances wise as well as a business wise, and this transformation will happen positive for you. Overall things will start becoming better for you. You will be able to overcome your loans and debts also during this time, but you need to keep an eye on your spending, keep an eye on your expenses too. Major the expenses will be on the health related problem or on the children or any type of unsudden events happening in your life. So if you manage your finances well, then you are able to see that you will be able to pay off your loans easily during this time, and gradually and slowly things will start improving for you. To enhance your luck, make sure that you are praying to Lord Hanuman on the regular basis. You are chanting Hanuman Chalisa. If possible, every Tuesday, try to visit to a Lord Hanuman temple and donate sweets to the Lord Hanuman. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck and to get overall success. For Aquarius people, this financial year will be a average year for you. Overall, this seems like things will be stable for you finances wise, career wise, and the business wise. Just you need to keep an eye on your expenses. There is a very high possibility you may buy a new property or the construction in your already existing property is there. You will be able to get your stuck money also, and but make sure that you are not taking any unnecessary loans and debt during this time, because if you're taking loans and debts during this time, that will be difficult for you to come out of that trap of loans and debts. To enhance your luck and to overall get success in your life, then on the regular basis you should chant Namah Shivaya. You should not chant Om Namah Shivaya. In this year, you should chant Namah Shivaya. If you on the regular basis, if you are offering water to Shiva and you are chanting Namah Shivaya, this is going to help you to enhance your luck and to get overall success and growth in your life. Pisces people, for you, you may face ups and downs career wise, finances wise, and the business wise during this time. Make sure you are not taking any impulsive decision. There is a high possibility you may purchase a new property or the construction in your already existing house. You make sure that you are not taking any loans and debts. Don't take any impulsive decision this particular year, because if you are taking any impulsive decision, there may be the chances of the losses. So if you are taking any important decision, make sure that you are doing a proper research, take a proper guidance, counseling, and then take a step. Overall, seems like a year of ups and downs. To enhance your luck and to overcome the obstacles and the challenges in your life, then make sure you are praying to Lord Shiva on the regular basis. Offer water to Lord Shiva and you should chant, listen, or meditate Namah Shivaya. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck. So overall, this is the prediction on the basis of the moon sign being shared. If you have still any question related to your financial year, then you can ask me on the comment. And if you're looking for a personal consultation or you want to learn astrology, then you can WhatsApp us on the given number. My team is going to assist you. Thank you. Have a great day.